What up, guys? Today we are gonna be targeting some speckled trout. We have some baits tied on, some artificial DOA shrimp. So we're gonna see what we can get out here. Here's what the water looks like today, pretty flat and calm. But let's see if we can get a few bites. We got Sway Sway over here, drinking all that ass coffee. Oh, fish on! Uh-oh, fish on! Yeah, look. That I got a big boy. We gonna put it in the cooler.
Yeah.
We gonna eat them tonight.
You can put it in there. You can put it in
You
there.
good luck. Get that fist bump. Hey.
You can put it in there. You can put it in there.
Yep, now Mama has to get one.
You gonna get one?
Yeah, Mama's gonna get one.
No, don't have
Put them
it.
in the box.
Say, Mommy, good luck.
Yeah.
Say good luck, Mommy.
Say, catch your fish.
Yep, Swaylen's going back to the coffee. So this is what I got tied on, guys. This is a gold flake DOA. Always works pretty good. They're not too expensive, but they always get the job done. Also, I like the voodoo shrimp. Voodoo shrimps are pretty good. And my favorite is probably the Z-Man. But anyways, we're gonna try and get some. Woo! Caught me off guard. It's a nice one though, definitely a keeper. See that cowboy?
Oh, big fish.
Pretty good too. Ate that shrimp right up. We're gonna get them in the box. Good eats right there.
That does look good.
So perfect out today, nice and warm and sunny. Gotta get another one. We gotta get a few before I catch and cook. Can't just eat one. I mean, I guess you could, but just working it slow, letting it fall to the bottom, twitching it back up, and they're just hammering it. Really waiting for it to get a little colder out, because that's when they really start biting good. But they're still around, of course. Probably be even better if I had live shrimp, but it's hard to find in my area, so. On that one I just caught, I was doing a slow retrieve and he literally hit it like 10 feet away. So he was shallow, surprisingly. Yeah, I got another one. Is that a red?
Yeah.
That's a redfish.
It's a fish. It's good.
Let's go, baby. Looks like he's under slot. Pretty sure. It's too small, but we'll check anyway. Red drum gotta be 15. Yeah, he's nowhere close. Good fight though. Nope, we can't keep this one. He's a baby. You're gonna let him go. don't always gotta have a boat to catch some fish, man. All you gotta do is pull over to the side of the road, find some nice moving water, and go catch some fish. No boat, no fancy gear, no live bait, just a rod, reel, and some artificial. I've never really caught any overslot reds here, but I've definitely caught reds. But predominantly this spot is stacked with trout. The only bad thing is it's super low tide right now, so waiting for the tide to turn, and hopefully they'll start biting a little better. But in the wintertime, when it's super cold out here, you can come out here and catch a lemon, I'm telling you. No problem. All I'm doing is twitching the rod up, letting it drop, twitching it up, letting it drop, and the current's just taking it down. Sometimes I'll let it drip down to the bottom and those trout will just hit it right then and there. Got an oyster fish. Betcha. Oh, no. Stick fish. Great. Gotta love the 3-pounders, man. Gotta get at least one every time you go. You know, I never realized how fast crabs actually are underwater. It's pretty surprising. I'm looking down here and I'm seeing a lot of blue crabs, small ones, just running around, and they're kind of fast, bro. Kind of fast. These trout are stacking up in here because there's so much bait, there's so much shrimp. Like, I'm literally reeling in my line and I'm watching shrimp jump everywhere. So pretty sure I got on the right bait today. Oh, he let it go, man. Oh, got him. Fish on. Oh, he's fighting. Okay, let's go. What is it? Feels like a red again. Yep. Oh no, that's a big old trout. Let's go. Oh man, that's a big trout. Oh, that's a big boy. That's a grown man. Oh man. Down in the muck. That is a big old trout right there. Check him out. Healthy, thick, solid. He choked that thing too. Like, they're not playing. Swallowed that thing. Look at that. Ate it. Not playing games. I'm not sticking my finger in there. Let me go get him off the hook. Guys, I just put a tape measure on this fish. He is 20 inches long. Nice one. Gotta love the yellow. There was one time I was fishing this spot all by myself, and I hear some rustling in the trees like I am right now, and I looked over and there's a massive deer just staring at me. We locked eyes for like 3 seconds and then he took off. It was a weird feeling moment. So with the structure I'm fishing, it kind of gradually slopes down, but it's not super deep out here. Oh, bad cast. Don't judge. But the fish seem to be closer in. They're not really out far or nothing like that. Guys, I'm using the Ardent Big Water Salt. I love this rod, man. It has like this cushiony grip and it just feels great. Also on the handle. So yeah, that's what I'm using. It works great. I love this thing. It's not super short, it's pretty long. I think it's 7.76, so yeah. Got it from Bass Pro Shops. Can't complain though, it's been good so far. It's kind of dirty, but hey, that means I'm catching fish. Another one, a little smaller, but still nice. All right, crazy guy. Looks like you're mad. I would be too with a hook in my lip. Let's go. This is what we're working with today. We got a good little mess to take home, and we're gonna cook them up. Say we're gonna cook them up, Sway. Oh yeah. All right guys, we got enough fish for today. We're gonna take them home and clean them up. But this was getting it done all day. The same lure, never changed out, never retied. Just got it done with a little cheap DOA shrimp. Can't beat it. Let's take these fish home and we're gonna fry them up. All right y'all, we're back at the house. We're about to slice and dice them, man. I got a little ugly stick fillet knife and we're gonna get these things filleted up and get ready to put them in that kitchen. Once they get in that kitchen, it's over with. Promise you that. Guys, so I'm gonna show you how I get this done. Start here, turn my knife at an angle, one cut, straight down, just run my knife all the way down. Flip them over. Alright. Then I just cut out the ribs. That's the fillet. Easy peasy. It's the big boy. Gotta get him cleaned up. It's gonna be a nice hefty fillet on this one. Just run it along that backbone. Get to the tail and stop, flip them. Tilt your knife up at an angle. Just run it straight down. Grab that skin and kind of give it a wiggle. That helps. And just run it along that back or that rib cage. And that's it. Perfect. So, we got the meat. We'll take it in the house. Guys, make sure you utilize every bit of the fish. None of the fish should be going to waste. Right here is my little garden bed. It's not seasoned right now for, you know, most things I want to grow. But when it is time, there'll be plenty of nutrients, I should say, inside of the ground for those plants. All right, y'all, we got the fish. We're about to rinse it off, and we got all of our ingredients prepped up, and we are making green beans, macaroni, red rice, and the trout that we caught today. So we're gonna get this fish rinsed off and get to cooking. So nice fillets, no bone. Some of my favorite fish to eat right here, man. Perfect meat. Got my baby in here cooking it up. Fresh sausage, fresh veggies. Cannot wait. I am starved. Dang. Alright, y'all, she got the red rice cooking up, green beans, about to get this grease hot, and one of my favorites inside of here.
Back up, baby, it's hot.
There's some good old homemade mac and cheese. And the secret little hot honey sauce that is delicious on fish. Hot sauce, honey, and some peppers.
You gotta wait, baby.
So we got a little hungry
Hippo.
2-year-old here.
What's that?
Alright guys, so we're gonna prep this fish. So what I start off doing is just drying it off. You don't want to fry super wet fish, so dry them off the best as you can. You know, it doesn't have to be super crazy or nothing like that. You still want the seasoning and stuff to stick to it, so just get them pretty much dry like that. And then we're gonna come over here, throw some seasoning on them.
What's that seasoning?
It's adobo. Really good. Gotta have it. Must have ingredient. Get some cayenne, get some spice on them. Nothing too crazy. Gotta have the good old garlic. A little bit of Cajun. Alright, and now we get the fish batter. Pour it up in here. Just gonna use it all. And start throwing these guys in. Look at that. Grease getting hot. Just gonna throw all of them in here. Like that. Just flour and mix it all up. Make a big mess at the same time. Only right. Get them coated nice and well. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna start dropping them in. Is it hot? Sounds hot.
It's hot. Ooh. Excuse me. Baby over there tearing that red rice up.
Good eats. He couldn't wait for the fish.
Was it good? I think that's enough. Oh yeah,
Let that ride. It'll be done in a few minutes. All right, y'all. Here's the trout. Delicious, white, flaky meat. Nice and hot.
hot honey right here.
Got the little hot honey seasoning, or sorry, sauce. Perfect. I love it. Look at that plate, man. Can't beat it. All right, you guys, this is the end result. I am starving, so I'm gonna end it with this. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the water.